What are we doing out here today?
Well, we got a little bit of work. Working with the boys on some Power Edge Pro. We got Coach Jones working with the goaltenders. We're doing some work for the Bridgton Academy. These things are very important for us to do skill development wise. We don't always get time to do these things in our normal practice setup, and Power Edge Pro has been good enough with instructor Ty Simmons while we're out here in Cicero, New York. It's been good enough to be able to give us the opportunity to train with him for a couple days. It shows not only the strengths, it shows the weaknesses. Believe it or not, on-ice workouts, as we did earlier with skating, shows us how much time with our balance and strength that we use off the ice in the weight room. So this kind of puts everything together. Well, the bottom line is, I think the fact that we're here also for college situations. We play Lemoyne College tonight at 5 o'clock, and I think the fact that Bridgton Academy gives their young student athletes the opportunity to train with professionals like this is an outstanding situation. Not every school does this, but Bridgton Academy does.